Welcome. Today, we'll show you where to find your billing reports and how to analyze them effectively in Axis Pro. In this section, the most important element is the billing summary chart. Here you can clearly see the total paid amount, the pending amount, the total invoiced, and the range of weeks displayed in the chart. The chart allows you to visualize daily billing activity and also switch the view to analyze performance by week, such as last week, the current week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks. In addition, you can change the view to review the information by month, depending on the period you need to analyze. And with that, you now know where to find and how to interpret the billing reports in Axis Pro. Using these reports allows you to analyze your income and make better decisions about your work in invoicing. See you in the next video.